We got more money. About like $1,500. We're going to a healthy restaurant, Fresh Take Kitchen.
Wait, 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 whoa.
No, cameraman, I just got my hair dyed.
Fine. One chance.
Wow. You're actually telling the truth. Big W, I guess. Welcome to Fresh Take Kitchen. How may I help you?
You forgot something.
And? What did I possibly forget?
You're a shitty employee.
Hey. How dare you call me an shitty employee, when I didn't do anything wrong? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for
8393847839844398748393839383938393892893892893892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892892
83928. 547367849587839874893287348932389 years. Go home and to your room now.
Shut the fuck up. You're a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up. You're a stupid cunt. Suck my dick. Shut the fuck up. Stop being a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up. Nobody even wants you here. Yeah. What? Yeah. I just wanna let you know, you're a stupid fucking cunt. Go ahead and run your mouth, pussy, I don't give a fuck. You're a stupid piece of shit, you're a stupid fucking bitch. Get the fuck up off my dick, get the fuck up off my dick. Like, please end your fucking life, please end your fucking life. I really gotta emphasize, no one cares if you're alive. You're a fucking penis hole, grab a dick and eat it whole. I need to know if you were dropped when you were just a fetus though. You're so fucking ugly and your face is fucking foul. Jeez, you're so fucking loud, can you shut your fucking mouth? Can you shut the fuck up? You're a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up. You're a stupid cunt. Suck my dick. Shut the fuck up. Stop being a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up. Nobody even wants you here. Yeah. Close your fucking mouth, you're just really fucking dense. If you hate me while you talking, you don't make no fucking sense. Got a sad life, go to fucking hell. Are you stupid or disabled, man? I can't fucking tell. Man, you're a fucking dumb shit, you don't even run shit. Get the fuck up out my face and go to hell and eat a dick. Come and catch these hands, boy, come and match these bands, boy. I'm not crazy, I just do it all because I can, boy. I hope you fucking die in a high-speed car crash. I hope you fucking fall head first and get your neck cracked. I hope you have some beautiful children that die from cancer. I hope you catch Zika when your wife gets pregnant. I hope you win the lottery and die the next day, and your daughter has to see you getting lowered in your grave. Like, that was a little dark. I'm sorry. That was a little dark. Very poor taste. Shut the fuck up. I shouldn't have said that. You're a fucking cunt. Actually, no, I should have. Shut the fuck up. I didn't say enough. You're a stupid cunt. Suck my dick. Shut the fuck up. Stop being a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up. Nobody even wants you here.
About Fresh Take Kitchen. Quick bites. We know it's tough to get out of the office for a long lunch. We're good at getting you quality food, fast. Enjoy one of our signature FDK grilled wraps with chips and salsa. About us. At Fresh Take Kitchen, we believe that healthy eating does not require sacrifice. Fast food can be good food, and affordable. Our team believes in a better way of doing fast food, for the quality and service you deserve. Better. Healthy. Fast. Stay a while. Have time to sit in? We have bright and modern indoor seating. Or if you want to enjoy the fresh air and sunlight, we have a beautiful courtyard patio. Free Wi-Fi. Yes. Free. That's all for now. See you in my 75th job.